Ever noticed how some people wake up energized, sharp, and rarely get sick, while others start the day tired, bloated, inflamed, already reaching for caffeine before they even leave bed? What if I told you that the first 30 minutes of your morning could secretly decide how your body fights inflammation, protects your immune system, how fast you age? Most people think inflammation only comes from bad food, but the truth is, your daily habits may be silently damaging your body every single morning without you realizing it. Scary part is, these tiny mistakes can weaken your immune system, drain your energy, and keep your body stuck in survival mode for years. But today, I'm going to show you 5 simple morning habits that can completely change the way your body heals itself. These are science-backed habits used to reduce chronic inflammation, strengthen immunity naturally, improve gut health, balance hormones, help your body feel younger and stronger from the inside out. Some of these habits take less than 2 minutes, yet most people never do them, and one of them may be the missing reason why you constantly feel tired or get sick more often than you should. So before you grab your coffee or scroll your phone, stay with me until the end of this video because these small morning changes could have a massive impact on your health, energy, metabolism, and long-term wellness. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself if you give it the right signals first thing in the morning. That's the powerful truth most people never hear. Your body is constantly listening to your habits. Every morning, either feeding inflammation or fighting it. You don't need expensive supplements, extreme diets, complicated routines to start healing your body naturally. Sometimes the biggest transformation comes from the smallest consistent actions repeated every single day. If even one of these morning habits becomes part of your routine, you may start noticing better energy, clearer thinking, stronger immunity, improved digestion, deeper sleep, and a body that feels healthier from the inside out. Real health isn't built overnight. Choices you make each morning can slowly change the direction of your entire life. One of the most powerful things you can do after waking up is hydrate your body immediately. After several hours of sleep, your body naturally becomes dehydrated, can increase inflammation, slow metabolism, and weaken immune function. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps flush out toxins, support digestion, circulation, and activate your cells after hours of repair during sleep. Adding lemon, minerals, or a pinch of sea salt can help restore electrolytes and improve hydration even more. Many people wake up and instantly drink coffee, but without proper hydration, your body stays stressed and exhausted, making fatigue and inflammation worse throughout the day. Early morning sunlight is one of the simplest ways to strengthen your immune system and reduce inflammation naturally. When sunlight enters your eyes in the morning, it helps regulate your circadian rhythm, balance cortisol levels, and signal your body to produce energy more efficiently. Sunlight also supports vitamin D production, which plays a major role in immune defense, mood, hormone balance, and reducing chronic inflammation. Spending 10 to 15 minutes outside after waking can improve sleep quality, mental clarity, and overall health. People who stay indoors all morning often experience disrupted body clocks, low energy, weaker immunity, and increased stress levels. Moving your body in the morning helps activate circulation, wake up your muscles, and reduce inflammation that builds up from long periods of inactivity during sleep. Simple movement like stretching, walking, yoga, or light exercise can stimulate lymphatic drainage, improve oxygen delivery, and support your immune system naturally. Morning movement also helps stabilize blood sugar levels and boosts metabolism early in the day, helping your body burn energy more efficiently. Many people spend the first hours of the morning sitting or scrolling on their phones, which keeps the body sluggish and stiff. Even a few minutes of movement can increase energy, improve mood, and reduce stress hormones. Eating an anti-inflammatory breakfast can completely change how your body feels throughout the day. The foods you eat in the morning directly affect blood sugar levels, gut health, and immune function. Processed foods loaded with sugar and refined carbohydrates can spike inflammation, increase fatigue, your immune system within hours. Instead, choosing nutrient-dense foods like eggs, berries, oats, nuts, seeds, yogurt, healthy fats can provide antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients your body needs to fight inflammation naturally. Balanced breakfast also helps control cravings, improve focus, and support stable energy levels. Your first meal sends powerful signals that shape your body's response all day. Avoiding stress and phone scrolling first thing in the morning can have a major impact on inflammation and immune health. The moment you wake up, brain is highly sensitive, and immediately exposing yourself to negative news, social media, notifications, stressful content can raise cortisol levels and put your body into a stress response within minutes. Chronic stress is strongly linked to inflammation, immunity, poor digestion, and fatigue. Instead of overwhelming your mind, starting your morning with calm habits like deep breathing, gratitude, prayer, meditation, or quiet reflection can help regulate your nervous system and create a healthier mental and physical state for the day. So starting tomorrow morning, yourself one simple question: are your habits helping your body heal, or silently making inflammation worse? Your future health may depend on the answer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful health and longevity content like this. And comment below which morning habit you're going to start first. Your healthiest version may be closer than you think.